Hi, let me introduce you to the Cricut Explore 5 machine. You'll notice its sleek, fresh, new modern design with its simplified interface. It cuts faster, it's smaller, and it's lighter than the Explore 4. And you also get an essentials bundle in the box with a whole lot of tools and materials to get you started straight away. It has an auto load and go feature, so you load it and then off it goes. There's no buttons to press extra like the older machine. This one is just load and go. It's really cool. You'd notice the difference when you have a go at this one. So first off, we'll go with the new simplified interface. So you've got your load and go and pause button and your unload button and a light indicator, your power light indicator. You have got your storage compartment in the door, and it's got really good wide storage to keep all your tools in, which is really good, and it has a very pleasing little wee click there. Now the jaw is a lovely easy open one, and you've got a new looking tool, which is a tool housing, a blade housing, and that houses your premium fine blade. Alongside it you have the pen holder, and that is a new snap-in pen loading system. So now we'll go through the power. You have got a USB cable which you can connect your machine to your device, but it has an upgraded Bluetooth technology in the machine, so to improve the connectivity. So that's really great. So you don't have to use that if you don't want to or don't need to. Now the power is got a lovely long cable. It's 3 meters long, so that's awesome. I really love that. And then you have got an open and lock system here and a little button that you depress. So hold that and you can switch out your plug, and then you've got 4 international plugs. So if you wanted to travel with your machine, you can just line up the lugs and then snap it in. That's that easy. So that's really good. Now it cuts, writes, draws, does the foil transfer, it scores, does print then cut, it uses a deep cut blade, and it works with iOS, Mac, Windows and Android. Now let's go and have a look at what you get in your tools and material bundle. The tools that come with your machine, you have a handy little inch and centimeter ruler, a scraper tool for burnishing your transfer tape and adhesive vinyls, and you have a scoring tool which has this different symbol on the top, and that just gets popped in where the knife blade goes. You get a spatula and a weeding tool and a dual-sided marker. So you've got a 1mm marker on one side, and then on the other side you have a 0.4mm fine tip on that. And like I said before, it's a snap-in, so just rest your finger underneath the jaw to support it, and then it's just a simple click. So nice and easy to get that in and out. You just need a little click. And then of course you can pop all your tools inside your little tool storage. Now you also get, with your tools, you get a 13-inch personal trimmer, and you have an arm out here for cutting extra lengths, and the blades, you can buy replacement blades for those. Now they've really thought about the packaging on this one. The 12 by 12 cutting mat, this is the blue light grip mat. They have put it in the box so that it's not bent up. It comes nice and flat, which is really good. So it's straight out of the box. You can use it without any dramas. So you've got your protection sheet on top and your sticky surface to pop on your vinyls and cardstocks and papers. And then for the materials that you've got a lot of materials to get you started. We've got a card insert card set. So you've got some cards and some envelopes to get you started. And there's some value cardstock, and that comes in blue, cream, red and white. You've got printable vinyl. So you design your design on Design Space. Pop this in your printer, in your inkjet printer. It prints out your design, then you pop it into the machine and it cuts out your design to make stickers and labels. So that's really fun to use that. And then you have got some premium matteless vinyl, and that comes in black, white, red and gold. And that can be used in your machine without a mat, or you can pop it on your cutting mat, the blue cutting mat there. And then to transfer it from your backing sheet to your blank, you need some transfer paper, so you get quite a few sheets of that, which is awesome. And then last but not least, you get some matteless heat transfer iron-on. So that comes in white, black and gold. So all up you have a lot of materials to get you started making some projects straight away, and you can make on an average of a majority size projects up to 65 projects with all these materials. So that's a really great bundle that you get with your machine, with the materials and your tools. So I'm going to be doing some videos of the machine in action with the new auto load and go system, and also some project ideas to get you started with your new Explore 5. It's a really great machine and I know you'll just love it. Thanks for watching.